The way you think shapes the way you speak.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Shivani, and just like you all, I am also on my own journey of learning English.
Have you ever paused in the middle of speaking English because you were trying to translate from your native language in your head? That delay, that confusion, that's the brain doing double work. If you want to speak fluently, you have to start thinking in English. Today, I will show you how I began thinking in English and how you can too. It's easier than you think. When you translate word by word in your mind, you are actually creating more stress. First, you think in your language, then you try to find the English words. By the time you speak, your brain is already tired. That's why it feels slow and awkward. But when you think in English, you skip the extra step, time, and efforts. You train your brain to respond in English naturally, like native speakers do. Let me tell you how I started thinking in English. I didn't start big. I started with small sentences. Every morning I said my routine in English and some positive sentences. Okay, it's a beautiful morning today. I welcome peace, joy, and clarity into my life. Today is going to be a good day. I am improving every single day. I am becoming the best version of myself. One step at a time, I am getting better. Mistakes are okay. I learn from them. These were the sentence I speak every morning when I woke up. Slowly, my brain started using English as the first language in daily life. Even if I still made mistakes, my thoughts got faster, clear, clearer, and more fluent. Okay, so let me tell you some easy ways so that you can practice thinking in English. Describe your actions as you do them. For example, I am opening the window. I am walking to the kitchen. I am going to study for hours. I enjoy watching movies. I love to listen music. You can make a daily English only time. For 10 to 15 minutes, speak and think only in English. Use simple words. You don't need advanced vocabulary. You just need to use the words you already know. The goal is not perfection here. The goal is to get your brain used to English thinking. Let me tell you something honest about myself. I sometimes translate. It happens, but I don't stop because I know fluency isn't about knowing everything. It's about training your mind. to stay in the language. Day by day, with small changes, thinking in English becomes faster, or I can say easier, not faster, and speaking becomes better. The moment you stop translating is the moment you start speaking naturally. So, from today, think in English, speak in English, live in English. At last, stay motivated and keep working on your English every day, just like me. Thank you for watching.